Okay, juniors, and welcome back. For this video, we're going to be going over a little bit more on Python. So we'll be discussing Python in the normal world and its positive functionalities. We'll go more in depth on why we use Python, its applications in the real world, and its benefits compared to other languages. For this video, I just need you to take a couple of notes on your cheat sheet. Just write down a couple of things from each slide. You don't have to write everything that I say or everything that's on a slide. Just write down a couple things so that I know you watched through the video and that you were paying attention, and then you can submit that on Canvas. So first, let's talk about the benefits of Python compared to other languages. So Python has a huge library of modules available to download, and that's because Python is so widely used. So we have a lot of resources that we can pull from and take advantage of. So during the time that you'll be learning Python, we'll be using the tkinter GUI module. So tkinter is just the type, what the person named it, and it's just a module that helps you build a graphical user interface. And then there are still plenty of other modules that we can download that are free for our use. Along with other free things, there's lots of open source tools and frameworks that we can take advantage of. So there are plenty of fully functioning programs that you can download and look at the actual source code. And they're all written in Python, so since you understand Python, you can understand the program itself. And then it's also just a more simple coding language, which you've known before, compared to Java and C++. So if you look on the bottom, it has Java, which to write just to print hello world in Java, you have to write all of this, and then to print hello world in Python, you just write print hello world, and then it'll do it. The next thing we're going to talk about is its applications in the real world. So it's very popular. One of the quotes from an from The Economist says, "In the past 12 months, Americans have searched for Python on Google more often than for Kim Kardashian." So that says that people search for Python a lot. It's in the internet. People are looking for it. There's a lot of different companies that use it. So Google, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Netflix, all have used Python to help shape and build their platforms. And then for real world applications, money. Software developers make a median of $100,080. So if you're adept in a very popular programming language and you want to be a software developer, you can make a good amount of money with Python. So looking at this graph, it's just it's a ranking of the programming languages over the years. So this is 1988 all the way up to 2018, and then this is ranked by global search engine popularity. So as you can see, Python is up there. Java is first, but then Python is right under C++, which if you're using one of the top languages, your chances of getting a job are very good, especially if you know how to use it well. So then overall, just to recap what we talked about, we use it because it's readable, it's easy to use, it's easier than Java and all the other programming languages. It's popular, it's in the internet, people are searching for it. There's a lot of modules and open source code that's available for us. Like I said, there's a lot of source code and modules that are available. So we start you off with a popular, simple, nonetheless powerful program programming language. And then if you are interested, you can take your skills further into other types of programming like web developing. So we intend to teach you on how to be a programmer, and then you'll be able to translate those skills through any language. So that's all we have for this video. Just write down a couple of these points at the end, and then submit your work on Canvas.